after discussing about the vowels, it is important that we talk about ghost letters or silent letters as well. Now, what are ghost letters or silent letters? These are letters which are present in your words, but they actually do not make any sound. So let's see a few examples. The first one is a silent K. That is, we do not produce the K sound in the word when it is at the beginning of a word and is immediately followed by N. Like Knight would be night. We will not pronounce it as knight. Knight, wrong. It will be pronounced as night. K will be absolutely dismissed. Similarly, in KNOW is no. It will not be pronounced as kno. K will be silent. So basically you write it but you do not say it. English is a borrowed language. English has heavily derived from Greek, Latin, etc. Hence there is an influence in its spelling. There are tons of exceptions. Despite all of this, English is still one of the easiest languages to learn. Now let's talk about a silent B. Now B goes quiet when it follows M at the end of a word. Think of the word lamb. Most of the time I've heard people calling it a lamb, but that is wrong. Whenever there's an M, the B is silent, like lamb. C-O-M-B would be comb, not comb. So B will not be pronounced. C-L-I-M-B would be climb, not climb, because it is preceded by an M. Thumb. T-H-U-M-B will be pronounced as thumb, not thumb. Next is silent W. When W comes before R, it usually becomes silent. For example, write. W-R-I-T-E. We will not pronounce this as write. We'll pronounce this as write. Write your name. Or wrist. It's never wrist. Write, wrist. You only get to hear the R sound and W does not make any difference. Next is the silent G. This is slightly tricky and I have seen a lot of people falling for it. Whenever the letter G is followed by an N, the G is silent. For example, G-N-A-W, which means to bite persistently, that is to bite continuously at something, is pronounced as gnaw, not gnaw. G-N-O-M-E is gnome, not gnome. Similarly, S-I-G-N is sign. Next is silent at the beginning of some words like honor, hour, and also when it follows the C, as in cord. Like if you look at honor and hour, it feels as if it starts with an O, but it actually starts with an H. Honor, hour. And also, kindly note, because of the sound it makes, you will always put an before it. The article an hour, an honorable man. This is a very common problem that an is used before a vowel. However, it is used before a vowel sound, not just a vowel. The sound it makes is an O sound, or like dog, if you remember. So, honor. And also, as we are talking about silent letters, H is silent.